Go ahead and brown the hamburger, sausage, garlic, and onions in a skillet. Add salt, pepper, and oregano leaves to the hamburger mixture. Season to taste. Once the heavy whipping cream and cream cheese are smoothly mixed together, you'll go ahead and add in your half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Mix well. All right, take your chopped broccoli. I went ahead and steamed it in the microwave, so I just poured some water in a microwave-safe bowl. Put a plate on top of it just to steam it real quick. So I have my chopped up steamed broccoli, still a little crisp, not all the way tender. Once the meat is brown, go ahead and drain the excess grease and then put it back on the skillet. All right, now we're going to go ahead and combine the meat mixture, the broccoli, and our Parmesan cream cheese mixture. All right, final step, I'm going to add the shredded mozzarella to the top and put it in the oven. With the oven heated to 350, I went ahead and covered the casserole dish. I'm going to cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then the last 15, I'll take the foil off.